Welcome to Secret Entertainment Extreme channel. Today we are going to explore the world of welding. Welding is an essential process that joins materials, usually metals, by applying heat and pressure. Before we go into the video, please subscribe to this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Welding is a vital skill in various industries, from construction to aerospace. Imagine building a bridge, a car, or even a spaceship. What holds these structures together? Welding. Welding is like cooking a delicious meal. You need the right ingredients, metals, heat, temperature, and mixing, pressure, to create a strong bond. Here is a step-by-step process. Preparation. Clean and prepare the surfaces to be welded. Remove dirt, oil, and other contaminants to ensure a strong bond. Heat application. Apply heat using electricity, gas, or friction. The heat source melts the metal, creating a pool of molten material. Melting. The heat melts the metal, creating a pool of molten material. The molten metal flows together, forming a strong bond. Solidification. The molten metal solidifies, forming a strong bond. The cooling process can take seconds or minutes depending on the welding method. Different welding types. Just like various cooking techniques, welding has several methods. Shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, uses a consumable electrode covered in flux, ideal for thick metals and outdoor welding. Advantages: portable, easy to use, and cost effective. Disadvantages: slow process, limited precision. Gas metal arc welding, GMAW, employs a continuous wire, electrode, and shielding gas, suitable for thin metals and high production. Welding. Advantages: fast process, high precision, and clean welds. Disadvantages: requires shielding gas, expensive equipment. Gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, utilizes a non-consumable tungsten electrode, ideal for precise welding and exotic metals. Advantages: high precision, clean welds, and versatile. Disadvantages: slow process, requires skill. Flux cord arc welding, FCAW, combines elements of SMAW and GMAW, suitable for thick metals and outdoor welding. Advantages: fast process, high precision, and cost effective. Disadvantages: requires shielding gas, limited portability. Resistance welding, RW, applies pressure and electrical resistance, ideal for manufacturing and assembly. Advantages: fast process, high precision, and cost effective. Disadvantages: limited to specific metals, requires specialized equipment. Welding safety. Welding can be hazardous if not done properly. Here are essential safety measures. Personal protective equipment PPE. Wear helmets, gloves, safety glasses, and fire resistant clothing. Ventilation. Ensure proper airflow to prevent inhaling toxic fumes. Electrical supply. Follow proper electrical procedure. Fire prevention. Keep flammable materials away. Regular maintenance. Inspect equipment regularly. Wrapping up. Welding is an art and science that requires skill, patience, and attention to detail. Understanding the process, types, and safety measures is crucial for success. Practice makes perfect. Safety always comes first. Continuous learning improves skills. Welding is more than just joining metals. It is creating something new, strong, and beautiful. With the right knowledge and techniques, you can build anything from a simple chair to a complex machine. Now, go forth and meld with confidence. Thank you for joining with me. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.